Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tanyawan Tandra. Today I'll talk about the information of cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a service that covers the computing power, so you need an online from various providers. To simplify installation, saving administrator time, and reduce the cost of building computer systems and network themselves, there are both free and charged services. The principle of cloud computing. Cloud computing is that we use the software, systems, and computer research of the provider while the internet can be a process to select a number of research on-demand applications and we can access data on the cloud. Disadvantage of cloud computing. 1. Safety. 2. Privacy. 3. Free. 4. The limit on bandwidth. The advantage of cloud computing. 1. Reduce the cost of information technology. 2. Increase performance. 3. Allow you to access 5G anywhere, anytime. Thank you for watching video. Once again, my name is Tanyawan Tanda.